The termite. A termite colony is made up of millions of females. Yes, that's millions. It looks like it's quantity over quality in this neck of the woods, but looks are deceiving. Not one of these termites has any interest in sex. They're the workers, and whether they're male or female, they're unable to reproduce. And they're asexual. Only one studly male and one female are capable of mating. In a world of millions of females, the ultimate stud has only one option. And here she is. This girl's the queen of the termite colony. That's right, this undulating creature is the only female interested in sex. The larger termite just above her is king, and the only reproductive male in the colony. The king's not as big as his buxom queen, but what he lacks in size, he makes up for in effort. If the ultimate stud is measured in number of offspring, this guy wins hands down. He's dad to over 100 million baby termites. And this ultimate dad's built for the long run. He'll reproduce with the queen for up to 20 years, fathering about 5 million kids per year. This queen's up for the job. Most of her body is permanently swollen with eggs. Both king and queen are pretty sly about maintaining their reproductive status within the colony. They secrete a tasty liquid which the neutered workers lick up, and which keeps the asexual termites from developing the ability to mate. The termite dad gets the prize for super stud for endurance as well as quantity. This ultimate animal dad mates with his queen around the clock. And in 20 years, he rarely strays from her side. Few animals can claim that kind of fidelity. No doubt other dads look sexier, but the termite dad's unmistakably the studliest.